you ever wanted to know what a ground blizzard looks like, this is a ground blizzard. Wind is blowing to the north at about, I don't know, probably 30 miles an hour, and the road is covered in ice from the snow blowing across the road. What you're experiencing me is the wind is pushing the car and I'm sliding on the ice, so that's why I'm wiggling the steering wheel so much. Not positive, but there's probably a car here on the right that's already gone in the ditch. Sitting in her car calling. Now we can go faster for a minute because the trees are blocking the wind, and look how nice the road looks. It is currently 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Oops, I gotta slow down. Here comes snow. I'm going to put this down for a few minutes and maybe come back to it. Okay, I'm recording again. This is normally the road I take, but as you can see, it is in pretty bad shape, so I'm turning around. And as soon as I make the turnaround, I will start recording again. Okay. I have managed to negotiate the a turnaround. I am now waiting for traffic to go. I'm going to catch Highway 29 as I wait for this traffic. I think everybody has decided that it's going to be better to take the freeway. At least if we all get stuck together. I'm pretty sure as I come to the overpass, we'll get to see the snow blowing over the freeway. I'll see if I can. I don't have any cars behind me, so I'll stop so I can show you what this looks like. Typically the snow will like blow right over the car. Yep, if you look to the left here, you hopefully can see the snow literally blowing over the freeway. Okay, I'm going to get on the freeway, so I'm going to stop this again for a minute. And just for comparison, this is what the freeway looks like. I'm going to start recording again because I want to show you what stupid looks like. There's sand on the road because the Department of Transportation has determined it's icy. I'm doing 45 miles an hour, single lane traffic. But semi-trucks are going probably speed limit. And the speed limit when it's dry is 75 miles an hour. And we're all doing 45 miles an hour. So I just want to take a second and show you what stupid looks like. I'm hoping later on I can take a picture of them in a ditch. Don't exactly know what's going on in front of me, but I will go ahead and see. They may have just shut down the freeway. You can see down there, but I see all sorts of flashing lights and things like that. So. Okay, I'll stop this for a minute. Alright, I'll start it again. All this for one car in the ditch? Ew. No, something a little bit bigger.